They're really murdering the fruit in there. I'm scared. I'm gonna back up. It's funny seeing you here. Do you come here often? I hope not, because this is my kitchen. So in case you didn't know, we're in the midst of a global pandemic, and you know, I gotta say that comes with its ups and downs. I'm gonna be teaching you some healthy, cheap, easy, fun recipes to make in quarantine. This is Wildcat Kitchen. Let's get started. Ooh, this episode we're talking smoothies, green smoothies. I don't mess with no other smoothies, so if that's not your jam, you need to listen to it some more because it should be. I'm gonna start from the bottom up. Get your milk. This is almond milk, a great base for smoothies. It has a kind of nutty flavor because, you know, it is an almond. And it's thin enough to kind of... I really don't know where I was going with this one. Just use some almond milk. Greens, the extra nutrients are great. Fruit, I've got mad fruit over here. This is fresh, flash, frozen fruit. Say that 5 times fast. Basically, you get a pan, put some parchment paper on it, you rinse off all your fruit, put it all on that pan, you put it in the freezer until it's frozen, bag it up, and you save it in your freezer. Next, this is actually fresh, natural almond butter. Chia seeds, they look healthy, good source of fiber. So that's about all we're gonna be needing. Let's get to constructing a smoothie. To making. I'm gonna just say making a smoothie. Let's go, you're coming with me now. This is a ninja. It scares me so much, but it really gets the job done. I'm using this beast right here. Why won't it turn? Had me looking like a fool on this YouTube. There we go. Make sure to wash your hands. You sing happy birthday twice or something like that? You're gonna want to start with your almond milk. We're gonna throw in some of our greens. Just a big old leafy handful. 1 banana right in here on top of our bed of spinach. 2 to 3 variations of berries. This is where your options really start to kick in. So I think I'm gonna throw some raspberries up in there. A couple strawberries can't hurt. And blackberries. Raspberries, ooh, a healthy amount. I got some pretty thick ones up in here. So you gonna come out? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Chia seeds. Oh, look how healthy this is looking, y'all. Almond butter, the hearty tablespoon of that. The grosser it looks, the healthier it is. You can quote me on that. Are you guys really ready for this? Or are you just pretending to be? It's okay to be scared. You can lean on me. Oh! They're really murdering the fruit in there. I'm scared. I'm gonna back up. Anyway, y'all, how's your day? Hope you're doing good. 21 seconds. 19, 18. Come on, we almost there. Boop. This is a smoothie, y'all. I got myself these mason jars from Walmart. 4 of these for $5. We gonna pour this now. Ooh, there we go. Y'all, I am a dum-dum. I was not recording for the past 5 minutes. This is our smoothie. Just really proud right now. Is this a thumbnail moment? That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you enjoyed our time together. I will be back with some more recipes eventually. But for now, signing off. Honestly, this is the most dressed I've gotten to go to the Walmart in the past 3 weeks. So, you know what? I did this for y'all. Still got the Berks on though, you know. Business at the top, party at the bottom. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab your smoothie, and that's
All you do is get your smoothie and pour it in the glass.